I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file multiple W-2s on TurboTax. First, gather all your W-2 forms from each employer. Open TurboTax and navigate to the Wages and Income section. You'll find an option to add a W-2. Select this for your first form. We'll cover how to add subsequent forms next. This process ensures all your earnings are correctly accounted for. Once you've added your first W-2, TurboTax will guide you through entering the details. You can often import the data directly from your employer, which saves time and reduces errors. If not, manually enter the information from each box on your W-2. After completing the first, TurboTax will prompt you to add another W-2 if you have one. Repeat this process for every W-2 you possess. After entering all your W-2s, it's crucial to review everything. Go back through each entry in TurboTax and compare it against your physical W-2 forms. Pay close attention to your total wages, federal and state taxes withheld, and any other deductions. This step helps prevent common mistakes that could delay your refund or lead to issues with the IRS. With all your W-2s correctly entered and reviewed, you can now proceed to complete the rest of your tax return. TurboTax will guide you through other income, deductions, and credits. Once everything is finalized, you can electronically file your federal and state returns. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.